Rosewood Manor, 'neath the springtime sky, a token arrived on Valentine's Eve. Pressed petals of pink with a whispered sigh, a verse of affection, hard to believe. Lady Eleanor wondered who could it be. The brooding Duke returned from the war-torn sea. Regency Rose blooming in the snow, anonymous love beginning to grow. In the ballroom's glow, secrets unfold, a heart once frozen now warm to hold. Oh, Regency Rose, my Valentine's dream, you thawed the winter with your tender gleam. Amid the grand ball, lace and champagne, they danced through the night, eyes locked in fire. He denied the card, but she felt the flame, stolen glances fueling secret desire. Snow softly falling on the garden green, forced roses blooming a